God is the one and only God, the creator of the universe. He has no partner. There is nothing like him. Because he is our only creator, the Lord of the worlds, who gave us life, guidance, and everything we have. Worship is our way to thank him, love him, and connect with him. We cannot see God in this world, but we see his signs in the universe, in our hearts, and in every blessing. But believers will see him in the hereafter, in paradise. He loves us very much and loves to forgive us, guide us, and help us. He loves us to always return to him. One of his names is the Most Gracious. Understanding who Allah is brings peace to the heart. He is always near, always listening. Just talk to him. He's closer than you think.